Now, another new feature we've added, we've been requested by our users for quite a while now, is to be able to edit the 2D symbol of the objects. So if we look at the right here, there's two examples here. One is room and board that I started with originally, and the AI generated objects will tend to create kind of messy symbols when you bring those into Archicad and into ModelPort. The other is where you brought it into ModelPort and it's done its job of cleaning up the symbol pretty well, like the 3D warehouse light you can see down below there. But you see those little fins that it's showing kind of in the middle of the light there that are really kind of small and tight. And whenever if you were using it as a symbol, it probably appears a blob in there. So you really want it just to be a simple floor plan symbol, as you can kind of see there at the bottom. So this ability now for us to be able to customize the 2D symbol within our objects here and have those within ModelPort is what we've done as well in this new release. So what we're going to do is show you how to edit and customize that symbol. As you can see there in the bottom left of our ModelPort interface. That's what's auto-generated by ModelPort, and we're going to show you the steps to that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to select that object in the floor plan, and we're going to open that object using the standard open object into the and click the 2D symbol within the library editor. And this is Archicad's standard library editor that you're seeing here. Now we basically dovetailed or linked the 2D editor within ModelPort, within Archicad to ModelPort, so that we can utilize this within our workflow. So here we're actually deleting a lot of those elements within our 2D symbol and getting it to the point where it looks refined and looks like the 2D symbol we want to use. So once you've gotten that, and you can add line work, you can edit that and develop that further. Once you have that to the point that you like it, then what you're going to do is you're going to select that. Oh, I'm sorry, first going to save it. Got to save the library part first. And once you save that, you're then going to select it, open in ModelPort. And then what you'll see next is in ModelPort is that it looks like it didn't do anything to the symbol there, but that's because you need to preserve the 2D during update. This is the new option we just added in to this new release. What this does is it allows you now to go into the library editor for objects within Archicad's native environment and be able to then edit the 2D symbol in that particular environment. When you do that, you can now preserve that 2D information whenever you update. So in the past, I could do that, but when I click the update button, it would always go back to the original symbol here because it would override that. What we've done now is we actually have set this. If you click this now, it will basically override the 2D symbol that ModelPort creates. So this will be overridden now when you click this button, and it will now use the 2D symbol that you created in the Archicad 2D symbol editor. So that now allows you to now have ModelPort with a 2D symbol custom graphic and correct the issues you might have from a AI generated symbol where it's really messy, and also from symbols where it's cleaned up by ModelPort, but you still want to be able to customize that for a plan symbol so that it's not doesn't have as many pieces and components to it.